Hey, what's going on everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Guns Locked. I'm Gunther the Great, and today we are going to be looking at Icy Narco's dreadlocks. You guys have requested this so many times and a lot of people just really want this video, so this is for you guys. So make sure to like up the video, and before the video starts I want to give a shout out to, so make sure to comment down below so you can get a shout out in the next video. But we're going to do the classic looking at Instagram to figure out how he got his dreadlocks and all of that stuff. So let's type in Icy Narco. Alright, we go. He has 171,000 followers, and let's take a look at his feed. Alright, so right here, right off the bat, he does have like a wavy sort of hair texture just looking at his roots, and his roots aren't very maintained, so that's a really cool look as well. And looking at his dreads, you can see that the links of them are actually blue and that his roots are blonde. So I'm not exactly sure if his natural hair color is blonde just looking at this photo, but we can scroll down and see what his natural hair color is. Interesting photo right here. You can see that his hair is completely blue. So I am assuming that he just bleached his hair and then dyed it blue, and then the bleach was kind of still at the roots, I'm assuming. But he does have a high top set of dreads, so that's really cool. And right here it does actually look like his hair is braided back. Here's a picture with him with ski mask. Oh no, this is a really cool thing, seeing that he has a pineapple. This is a really cool hairstyle, and I think his hair is a perfect length for this hairstyle. So now looking at this photo, I can see that his hair is more on the straight end. Just looking at the loose hair on the tips of his dreadlocks, you can see that they are straight, and that is a sign to show that his dreadlocks are more straight. But not gonna lie, his dreadlocks are actually really dope. The fade on the side looks super clean, and it does show that he does have thick hair, but it's not coarse like African American hair. Just picture with him in trippy red, and yes, perfect picture right here. You can see that his hair is frizzy, which shows signs of his hair being straight. And the thing about straight hair dreadlockers, their hair has more of a puff to it versus the tightness of a coarse hair dreadlocker. Now here's an interesting picture. His hair is actually all the way bleached in this photo with his hair braided back. Looks pretty clean. And just since his hair is straight, we're gonna assume that he started out his dreads with some crochet hooking for sure, maybe even rip and twist. And another method that he could have chose was backcombing. Those are 3 methods that you can do with straight hair to get dreadlocks. Here's a picture of him in Kodak Black, and you can actually see that he has 2-strand twists right here. And I'm just trying to scroll down and find a photo of when he started his dreads, if there's even a picture on here. Here's an interesting photo of him bleaching his hair, I'm assuming right here. But his hair is actually like platinum blonde in this photo. But yeah, that's basically it. Breakdown of his dreadlocks. He has a 1 type hair, maybe like a 1... I would probably say a 2A or a 2B. And I would say that he got his dreadlocks with crochet hooking, back combing, or twist and rip. Twist and rip is the easiest one out of all those, I believe. And then he most likely maintains them now by crochet hooking them, which pulls in all the loose hairs, which is perfect for straight hair. And another thing that he does is that he bleaches them and dyes them, just like a lot of other people with dreadlocks. But if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, comment down who you guys want to see next, because you can get a shout out in the next video. And since you guys made it to the end, I wanted to give a huge shout out to all you guys, because we just hit 100,000 subscribers, and that means that I have 2 channels now with 100,000 subscribers on them. And yo, this is insane, and I'm truly blessed, and it means so much to me. Like, this hit me out of nowhere, especially like on Guns Locked. I woke up this morning and I checked, and I was like, oh snap, yo, this is nuts. We're at 100,000 and 100 and something thousands. I don't know, it was a lot of subscribers, and it's pretty crazy to actually like sit back and be like, man, this is how much it's grown in such a short amount of time. I think it's been maybe a little over 2 years, and 100,000 subscribers, that's crazy. But thank you so much, guys. I'm truly blessed. Love you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Thank you for all the support. Other than that, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.